How to connect a fake Apple Watch Ultra here with an Android phone running Android 14. So if you got one of these fake Apple Watch Ultras here, you'll need to connect this using the Bluetooth settings. So this is going to be different from a real Apple Watch. And whether you're on the clock face here or within the menu area here, you will press on the button here, this one right here. This is going to give you these tiles here. So you'll swipe over until you see the Bluetooth toggle right here, this one right there. And what you can do is single tap it, and that's going to enable the Bluetooth settings for this watch in particular. Then on your Android phone, you'll use the quick panel access. Pull down at least once or twice until you see the Bluetooth toggle. And usually when you long press the Bluetooth toggle, it's going to take you in this section here, and you'll see the pair new device option. Tap on that one time, and when you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And just wait until you see the Apple Watch or the Apple Ultra. So this one in particular is going to be named Apple Ultra, but it's not the actual one. So once you see it here, it's going to appear as a Bluetooth one. Okay, so the one that appears with this icon here, that's the one that you're going to connect. All right, so you'll tap on that. It's going to say pairing, and you'll give it the pair request. And it's going to say pairing, and it's going to say connecting, and it's going to show you that it is connected. Okay, so we'll come back here now and go back to the setting here. And the way to know if you're actually connected, this little icon here next to the battery icon, it'll be in a color blue. That little backwards C shape right there, that means there's a Bluetooth currently connected to your fake Apple Watch Ultra, okay? And as always here, you can go to see all, and then you'll tap on the settings here. And this is going to allow you to use it as an input device. So you want to turn that on if it's not set as an input device, okay? But it's going to operate as a Bluetooth device. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like and sub.